In today's video, I want to share with you guys every run command a Windows users must know. If you are new to Windows PC, then you need to know this run command. And if you are not new as well, you need to know this run command. Because with this, it's going to make your work simple and easy, and as well very fast. So the first thing you have to know is on how to bring the run bus out. So there are three different ways that I will show you guys on how to bring the run bus to your device. The first and the most common way is Windows+R key. It brings this button when you combine the Windows+R key. Then you can come to this place, right click on this start menu, then click on this run button. This run button, it also brings this out. Then you can as well come to this place and type in run in the space provided, then click on this button. It brings this run option. So these are the major way a lot of people use to bring out this run button. But with this run box, you can do so many things with it. In this video, I will give you 16 good run command that you can use to access your computer and do one of the things that is very useful and save your time. But guys, before we move on, if you are new to this channel, please do subscribe. So let's start. The first one you have to do is to bring out the run bus by combining Windows+R. Then in this place, type in appwish.cpl. Hit the enter button. Once you click on the enter button, it brings to this interface. Now you have access to every app that have been installed on your device. You know, to get to display many times. So what you can do here is that you can easily remove any app by clicking on install. By change, then as well you have access to other important information here. So this is one of the key run bus you need to know on your device. The next one is very simple. Bring out the window again, type in ncpa.cpl, hit the enter button. Once you hit the enter button, it brings to this interface. Here you have access to the Bluetooth connected to your device, to the Wi-Fi, and here if you right click on this Wi-Fi, you have option to disable, connect and disconnect, diagonals, properties. Then other properties, you have access to so many things that you can do here. So that is why guys, you need to know all these simple shortcuts to access all these things. The next one is to bring out the run bus. Type in msconfig, then you hit the enter button. It brings to this interface where you have access to the system configuration. Here you can access the general, where you have access to startup selection, normal startup, diagnostic, and startup, selective startup, where you have low system services, low system item. Then you can as well have access to the boot option, where you can boot from safe mode if you have any issue with your computer. Then services, where you can disable and enable services. Then startup option, then that can lead you to task manager if you have any issue with that. So these are these are many more things you can use using this command. This equals to the next one. In the run bus, type in ruxt rui.exe, then hit the enter button. This brings this bus where you have access to the restore point on your device. So if you have issue with your restoring point on your device, you can combine this key and bring out this command and have access to the run bus, where you can set the run bus, then see my last update and click on it and follow the on-screen process and restore your computer to the perfect time it was working perfectly okay. Then the next option you have to bring out is very simple as well. In the space provided, type on clean manager, that is CLEA clean, then MGR, hit the enter button. Now this one bring the desktop clean manager for you, where you need to select any of these that you want to clean. If you select C, then you click on OK, it brings you to this surface. Then you now select whatever things you want to clean on this place. Either you want to remove some of these items that might cause your device to run slowly, or to make your device to lag. So just come to that, then click on this clean and run the follow the screen process and clean your system. Then this takes us to the next one. The space provided, type RAXMON, hit the enter button. This will bring the resource monitor for you, where you have access to overview of how your system is performing, where you have access to the central processing unit, which is known as CPU. You have access to memory, everything that is taking the memory on your device. You have access to disk, then you have access to network. Everything here, you can easily access it using this run bus with the command I've just entered. The next command you have to run, the run boss, is simple mrt, hit the enter button. So this brings you to this interface where you have access to Microsoft malicious software removal tools. If you think that your system is having some malicious app or malware that might cause your system to misbehave or that might affect every file you have on your device, you can bring this command and run it. So click on the next button. When you click on the next button, you have access to what you can do. You can quickly scan, full scan, or customize scan. So this has to do with you. Then click on next, follow the script process. This will help you to even remove viruses and fix your computer as soon as you are able to follow the script process correctly. The next one is to enter powercfg.cpl, hit the enter button. This will bring you to this place where you have access to the power plan on your device. You can see that you have access to the power plan. Then here you can do so many things about your power plan. You can click on this change button and click on this button to access a lot of information on your power plan. And getting to this place sometimes can be somehow tasky, but with this simple command you are able to access the power plan on your device with ease without any problem. That is why as a Windows users, you need to know all these simple commands we are sharing with you guys in this video. The next one is very simple, and this is the most common one, Registry Edit. Then hit the enter button. This will bring you to the registry setup on your device where you have access to the local key, H key, another key on your device, and you can do so many things on this place. You can make some adjustment on this place on your computer. So this combined Reg Edit brings you to the Registry Editor on your computer. So as a Windows user, you need to know this if you really want to enjoy most or more of your computer. Then let's move on to the next one. Windows+R key is what we combine to bring this button. Type in main.cpl, hit the enter button. Then with this command you are able to access what your mouse can do. You can say that the mouse, you have access to it, how the mouse can fast, you can change that. Then you can as well change the pointer on this place. You can as well pointer option, wheel hardware, and so many things you can access on this place with that command. So you must learn that. So let's move on by bringing out the command prompt again, or run command again, by going to enter task manager, that is task mgr, hit the enter button. This simple command brings you to this task manager. This is very useful when you try to access the task manager by right clicking on here and click on the task manager but it's not working. Then you can combine that simple run boss and bring it to this task manager. And you know what you can do on the task manager are very wide. From here you can see the processor of the process on your PC. Then you can see the performance. Here you have access to what the CPU does, how it behaves, and lot more. You can have access to the memory. You can see the disk. Here you can see the Wi-Fi. Then you can see the GPU on lot more. Then as well you can have history to the history of everything you have been doing on your computer. Then you can see the startup app that is running on your computer. Either you need to enable or disable. You can view the users details and services. These are many more you can do on the task manager. So that is why you need to know all this simple information so that you have access to the best of your Windows PC. Now let's move on by combining the R key plus Windows key plus R to bring out the next button. So here type in Win+R, that is WINVAR, hit the enter button. With this particular command you have access to your Windows informations like the window you run on your device. Here you can see that I'm running on Windows 11, then Microsoft. Then you have access to the version and build number. Then you have access to the particular window you are using, Start Professional, Education, and others. You can see Windows 11 Professional Operating System. Then you have access to so many information here. So that is very important on that. So this box is very good and you can use it to access so many information about your computer. Now let's continue by bringing the run box again. So this will lead us to another thing. So here type in Explorer. If you have an issue, bring out the Windows Explorer on your device. Just combine that key and brings you to this place where you can easily navigate to what is on your computer by going to the desktop here, by seeing the video and screenshot and every other thing you have on your system. So you can easily do this to access so many options on your computer using this simple task. Then let's go and do the rest now. By counting now, we are number 15th, which is second to the last of what we are giving you in this. Then now in this run box, go ahead and type in MXTXC and hit the enter button. Now this will bring you the remote desktop connection on your device. You can see the computer. If you have any computer around that you want to connect, you can see it here. Just select from here and pick from here, then click on connect, and that will help you to connect with other computer around you. You can see that this is very good and amazing one. The last but not the least here is to combine the window key again. Once you combine the window key, then type in jpedit.mxc, hit the enter button. Now this will take you to local group policy where you can adjust so many information about your computer. So these are few of the things you can do here, and this is very good, a great thing that you can use to know one or two things about your computer. So in case you want to make use of this, then you should learn this by us. So with this simple command I have shown before you today on how to make use of run, that is RUN, on your device and access some important information, and you are here to subscribe to this channel, please kindly subscribe and don't forget to like. And if you have any comment or anything that you want me to talk about, just drop it in the comment section and we will act accordingly. That's all guys, see you soon on our next video.